The California wildfires have now spread across thousands of acres over the past 6 hours, and many people are expected to have lost their lives. This is currently the view that people are seeing from their airplanes as they're landing at LAX. You can see this fire moving up this mountain right here, getting dangerously close to all these homes. People are trying to go back to their homes to try and save their pets or any other valuables in their homes, and police have started to block off roads and are not allowing anyone to get back to their house. Firefighters that are battling the blaze are reporting that people are actively looting and attempting to break into homes and businesses of the people that had to evacuate for their own safety. And experts in the LA area are telling people to be on the lookout for fire tornadoes. Yes, fire tornadoes, because 70-mile-per-hour winds are swirling around the fire right now. Not to mention, the National Weather Service warns of overnight gusts of up to 100 miles an hour, creating the most destructive windstorm since 2011. It has burned nearly 4,000 acres right now. The people of California are hurting.